Hi friends and welcome. My name is Regina and today on Leelalicious I'm going to show you how to make homemade hummus. Hummus is such a delicious, filling and protein-rich snack. Use it for dipping your favorite veggie sticks or even as a spread on sandwiches or wraps. Hummus is also always a super popular appetizer to serve when you're entertaining. This is a recipe for simple hummus. It's always a win, but it's also a great base to give it your own spin with some variations. Watch till the end where I'm giving you some delicious flavor variation ideas. To make the hummus, you will need a food processor. A blender may work as well, but you may have to stop it more often to scrape down the sides so that everything gets incorporated evenly. Now for the main ingredient, chickpeas. Use a standard 15-ounce can of chickpeas, or if you have home-cooked chickpeas from the Instant Pot chickpea recipe I showed you last week, then you need 1.5 cups of those. Add the drained chickpeas to the food processor, but reserve some of the chickpea liquid. Next, we need 1/4 cup of tahini. You can also make that at home from just sesame seeds and some oil. I'm linking my recipe below. Next, for some delicious savory flavor, we need garlic cloves. I'm using about 5 roasted garlic cloves, but if you're using raw garlic, just 1 clove will be enough. Next, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. To season the hummus, start with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can always add more later. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Of course, you can adjust the seasoning to your personal preferences. Some regular or smoked paprika are great, as well as ground coriander. Now close the lid and turn on your food processor to start blending up all of our ingredients. If the mixture seems quite dry, you can add some of the reserved chickpea liquid or just regular water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until your desired consistency is reached. Also stop the food processor as needed and scrape down the sides with a spatula to make sure that everything gets incorporated evenly. And then keep blending until everything is smooth and evenly combined. Then transfer the hummus to a serving bowl or a storage container. Flatten out the surface until it is fairly level and make some grooves with the back of a spoon. Into these, drizzle a little bit more olive oil. This not only looks great, it also keeps the hummus surface from drying out. You can further decorate the hummus surface either with some reserved whole chickpeas, some paprika powder, or with some za'atar seasoning like I'm doing here. Now enjoy the hummus with your favorite veggie sticks or crackers, or use it as a spread. And this is how easy it is to make simple hummus. This is a fantastic, crowd-pleasing recipe that you should have in your arsenal. Here are a few flavor variations. I love adding roasted red peppers. These not only give a delicious flavor, but also color the hummus in this deep orange. For a strikingly pink version, I also love blending in a roasted or cooked small beet. Whenever I have some leftover pumpkin puree, I also like to blend it in with the chickpeas for yummy pumpkin hummus. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments which flavor variation are you going to make. Also, please like and share this video, and I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.